think on this strip here, this mile strip here, you're going to find at least 4 or 5 food trucks, and 3 of them are ours. And we're going to go out and grab something, see what we got, see what we can find. Hi, this is Ryan at One Fat Frog. Today we are here at Burger y Mas. Not too far from the One Fat Frog World Headquarters. We're here at a car dealership parking lot. There's a nice busy road right behind me. We're close to the airport, so there's a lot of traffic here. We're gonna try their loaded hamburger. All right. Those are good fries. Just came out. I think I just burped my mouth. So we're sitting, I love the food trucks that have little seating areas right outside. This is a stationary truck. It's a good, reliable place to come to lunch. It's a great little hole in the wall. It's kind of a secret, like, hey, there's a food truck that I know. Take your friends here. Take your girlfriend, your wife, or both. All right, so we're gonna try this burger. It's got some good weight to it. Oh, I love when they melt the cheese like that. It's still, I mean, the cheese is still melting off the burger. This is gorgeous. There's bacon inside. It's a well-dressed burger. I really like that bacon. The bacon in there. The burger is really nice. Real fresh lettuce, real crisp. It's beautiful. They got some sort of secret sauce on this that's actually really, really good. Wow. Now, what's really cool about this food truck is they have a lot of things that are off the menu. I got about 15 items that are not on the menu. Everything from malafongo, gyros, salads, lasagna de papa, arroz con gre, hot dogs, they got Italian sausage, alitas, so wings, they do wings as well. Check them out. It's Burgers y Mas, and there's a lot of mas. Roger, you want a bite of this? It's a nice thick burger too. It's not, the patty's not too thin. It's not too much burger where you kind of feel gross when you're done. No longer. Thank you for watching. I'm actually going to order another one.